Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing?
We just made it back in from, we went to Sam's, Winn-Dixie, Walmart, Claiborne Hills, and Frugals, and we just made it back in, but we think we got everything. Now I do have a few things that's in the deep freezer that we got from Sam's, and I don't want to take it out because I got to take all this stuff out to take it out. But if you watch the walkthrough, you'll see everything that we got. But it's some pizza in here, it's some breakfast, something I forgot what it was. They have some fries and it's some sausages that's in there, that's in the deep freezer, that, like I said, you will not be able to see because I again have to move all of this. So I'm just going to tell you guys first what I have over here. And I know you guys be asking, from every store we went to, I had tried to add up all my receipts, but I honestly do not remember. I know out of Sam's, I spent $167 total from out of there, which was not bad. Winn-Dixie, I only spent $25 because we only just got like our ham, and it was one more thing we got from Winn-Dixie. Walmart, I think it was $320, somewhere around there. Frugals, we only went in for a few things, and our total was $29. And out of Claiborne Hills, I had to get the gumbo base and stuff like that. A few things, it wasn't a lot, and my total was $30 out of there. So the most I spent was out of Walmart, and that's how it always is. Even though some people say Sam's costs more, I actually spent less out of Sam's. So starting here, and you guys will pretty much be able to see what came from Sam's and what came from everywhere else. So if I don't say something, then I'll try to write it on the screen if I remember. And hopefully you guys can see my light is bright enough. Let me see. Okay. The bathroom tissue, of course, Sam's. This bread came from Sam's. I got the Bunny Giant, and I got the Nature's Own butter bread, 2 packs each. The Barks, my mom asked for these, and it's 2 packs. She'll have these way after her surgery because she really can't do them now. But she asked for the bottles. Sam's did not have the bottles this go around. Last time I got her bottles, so this time I just did the can. Jordan picked up these from out of Winn-Dixie. Sprites came from out of Sam's. These Coke Zeros came from Sam's, and these juice Hug fruit barrels came from Sam's also. These Bars cream sodas came from out of Claiborne Hills. The Mountain Dews both came from Frugals because normally Claiborne Hills have them, but they was out and I forgot to get them. No, I did not get them out of Walmart because over by the drink aisle it was so many people. So I just, like I said, I just got both of these out of Frugals. It was the same price, the Voltage and the Code Red. Y'all remember last time we went to Sam's, they did not have forks. I mean, they did not have spoons, but they had forks. This time they didn't have forks, they had spoons. So I did not even open up my 300 count forks yet. So now we have both. I got another thing of the hefty plates, the 250 count. We did the half size aluminum pans. You get 30. That came from out of Sam's, of course. The Ziploc bags, you get 152. Came from Sam's. Our potatoes came from out of there because Walmart potatoes go bad. Like when you open them out the pack the first day, they're bad. The fruity water, they just changed the name on them. These are the ones that I always get, and I only got 1 pack because Philip still has some more, so I just only got that one. And then as far as the water, we got 345 counts of water from out of Sam's. And then he still got all that stuff over here that we had last time. I was trying to get the Welch's juice, another one of those, but they didn't have the Welch's this go around. They had the Ocean Spray, and Philip don't too much care for the Ocean Spray. So when I find a Welch, I'll get another one. But for right now, he still have those. He still got those other splash waters, and he still have some in there. I got 2 things of Cokes because I forgot to pick up a regular Coke from out of Sam's when we got that one. And then I'm gonna come over here. and then I'll get to the table. For Easter, for Philip, he did not want the traditional Easter basket. It's, you know, it's always the same way. He really just don't. He just kind of like the candy he like. So I got him the Charlie Bites, and then a Very Berry. Y'all see the difference in the two. He got those two. I got him some M&M minis, the Skittle gummies. These are for him, the original, and the berry ones are for me. And then I got me 2 things of pieces of corn candy, came from Claiborne. This Easter candy came from out of Walmart, or this candy came from out of Walmart. He loved the Hershey cookie and cream, so I got him 2. And he's not gonna eat all of this at one time. I'm gonna give him this and the gummy bears and the M&Ms, the Hershey's and stuff. I'm gonna keep in my room. And when he wants some, I'll give him a piece, because if not, that child will eat everything in one day. And then I got him one of these Hershey's, so he'll have 2 cookie and cream and 1 original. And then I got him a 6-pack of Reese's. So that's what he asked for Easter, and that's what I got him, because his birthday is Tuesday, and I will be taking him on Wednesday, because Monday and Tuesday Mama have procedures over in New Orleans that she got to get done. So Wednesday, the day after his birthday, I'm gonna take him to get his birthday gift and let him pick them out. And I'm glad that Walmart is doing this now. You can break the pieces, because you know before they used to be bigger. So I got me 2. Then I got me some Hershey Chips Ahoy, the Hershey Feel. I don't like the other one, that's the blue one. I like these, because these are more of the chewy ones, the softer ones. I got 2 stage plants. Usually I get Mama Margaret some of these, which I know she can't eat them. So we got 2 for Mama E. And then Jordan picked up these little mini moon pies. I think that is strawberry. So he got 2. We got a 60-count eggs, because it was cheaper than just doing individual ones. Mama Margaret got a thing of the iced peach tea. And then Mama E got the diet green tea mixed berry, because she is a diabetic, so she can't have all that sugar. Jordan picked up one of these Arizona fruit punches. I think he got this one out of Claiborne Hills, a kiwi strawberry, and he got this one from out of Frugal's, because Frugal's didn't have this one. I got a thing of orange juice, 1 Milo's tea, 2 Borden white milks. They didn't have any Borden chocolate milk at Walmart. They were sold out. And y'all know we get the Prairie Farm ice cream. And then of late, when we be on the road traveling back and forth with Mama, I've been getting her the Prairie Farm chocolate milk from over in Slidell. And she liked that. So I found this at Frugal's and I got her that. I got me 1 core water. And then Jordan picked up the cherry Dr. Pepper. I got a thing of vegetable oil over here. This is the stuff for the gumbo. We got shrimp. I think I did $30. Yeah, I did $30 worth. These are the medium shrimp, a nice size. And then I got 2 pounds of gumbo crabs, and they are already cleaned and everything. Oh, and that came from our local seafood market. The sweet potatoes came from Sam's, because I will be doing 4 pies, and these are my pie crust, my pie shells. Well, pie crust. Then I got 2 things of bell peppers. These came from out of Sam's, of course. I got my green and my colorful ones. This is my brother's stuff that I picked up for him. He's here, so he's gonna take this. And then he went, when you got this for Mama, Mitchell? Yesterday? Yeah. My brother went yesterday and got this for Mama. I think she got some more stuff. It might be in her room, because this upcoming week, because of her test she got to get done, she can't have anything with sugar in it, so everything had to be sugar free. So he went and bought her some more Jellos. You gotta put these in the refrigerator. They melt. I just noticed that. Okay. Showed y'all everything that was on the ground. Okay, let me start over here. I got the Pilgrim's chicken breast. Y'all know I get these for Philip lunch. And I picked up 4 packs because my oldest son, Deontay, will be here while my mom is gonna be in the hospital. And then I got 2 things of ground beef, the rolls. We got 2 of these deli meats, the honey turkey and the honey ham. I got 1 pack of the Frank hot dogs, 2 things of the bologna. This is the family pack. 1 pack of bacon, because Philip been asking for some bacon. I got 3 packs of smoked sausage, and one of these packs are for Mama Gumbo. We got 2 packs of chicken tenderloins. We didn't need a lot of meat because y'all know I just went through my freezer and gave a lot of stuff away. So we just needed just the basic stuff. 2 things of chicken breast, a thing of vinegar, 2 packs of gumbo base for the gumbo, 4 packs of chicken flavored Norris rice. I just told you about the vinegar. We got a Smithfield ham. This ham came from Winn-Dixie. The old folks, this was the sausage patties that I was telling you about that I was looking for, but they didn't have the patties. These here came from Sam's, and they didn't have the old folks just regular patties either there. So I don't know what's going on right now, but y'all know you get what you get when they have it. But these sausage and biscuits came from Sam's. The Zatarain rice, of course, came from Walmart. Light brown sugar from my pie, Walmart. Regular sugar, a 10-pound bag. And then from Claiborne, we got these clear fruit. We got 2 pineapples. Probably more than that, I think. I know I picked up 2 pineapples for myself. We also got the Island Breeze. I picked up an Island Breeze, and John picked up a kiwi strawberry, and I think he got Philip. What you got him? Huh? The kiwi strawberry? And I guess the strawberry watermelon. Okay, so each one of them got 1 of those. The cornmeal, I like yellow cornmeal. I don't too much care for white cornmeal. I got 2 things of the smaller tomato sauce and 1 big thing for Mama Gumbo. ALISHA'S Fairlight milk, 2 Land O'Lakes, 2 packs of the Land O'Lakes butter. 1 pack is for the pound cake Jordan's making. 1 pack is for my sweet potato pies. I got an extra thing of unsalted sweet cream butter just in case. And then I got 4 things of imperial butter. And y'all remember I told y'all last month the butters went up and they are $1.35. And we got 2 packs of the Philadelphia cheese, cream cheese for the pound cake. Philip asked me for some Lucky Charms, so those are his Lucky Charms. Some instant grits. These are the Pop-Tarts. I eat the wild berries, so I got me a pack. And then Riante picked up this pack from Sam's for him and Philip, because Philip just kind of likes to eat these before school. I'm almost done, y'all. I'm almost done. I got a 12-pack of tuna from Sam's. The Hellmann's mayonnaise done went up a lot too, but this is the only mayonnaise that I like. I usually get it from Sam's, but Sam's only had blue plate, so I got that. Jiffy, 3 things of Jiffy cornbread mix, because I have 1 in the cabinet. We needed some more salt, pepper, another thing of peanut butter, the honey roast, because Mama just do her like 2 big old spoonfuls each day. And then she also put some in her shakes. And then I got Philip his PB&J, the Smucker's Goober Grape as always. And then last but not least, the Velveeta macaroni. And these went up. Yeah, I did those. These was what? 10 and some change. Y'all will see it in the walkthrough. And these things used to be like $6 and $7 at Sam's. But they don't went up. So, yeah. So that will complete our haul. Like I told you guys, the stores that we went to. So we should be good and stocked up, because y'all know with everything going on and Mama upcoming surgeries, we don't know when we're going to be able to get out. And if we do need like milk, bread, butter, eggs, the older kids can go run to the store and get that. But other than that, we good. So thank you guys for watching. Please make sure y'all watch the walkthrough. The link will be in the description box below. The walkthrough will be on my main channel, Alicia Southern Crew. So we thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all are subscribed to all of our channels. All of those links will be in the description box. Comment, give this video a thumbs up, and share it if you care. It will definitely help us. And we'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know